If this video found you, TikTok got the signal, you want to go viral. TikTok's algorithm is testing your moves right now, and the way you engage could be the difference between 300 views or going viral this week. But don't rush. Before you like or comment, listen this. TikTok isn't just a social app anymore. It's a full-on search engine, like Google, like YouTube. It watches everything, how long you stay, what you type, even when you tap. So if you're still liking in the first 3 seconds, you're sending the wrong signal. The algorithm thinks you're a bot, or just not serious. Now that we've passed the intro, let me give you your next move. Save this video because you'll want to come back and use this info for your next post. Comment, I'm going viral this week. Share it, but only with someone stuck in low views, and only inside TikTok. Forget that copy link stuff like, why would you copy the link to leave the app? Don't. The algorithm tracks everything. Want to grow for real? Then understand this. Watch time is everything. Don't skip. Don't fake engage. Be intentional and make people watch your video till the end. Comment with full sentences. Share smart. Follow only if the creator actually delivers.